I cannot thank Achansfam enough for sending this out to me. This is something that should be in every vehicle, even though no one thinks about it. So your TPMS gauge goes off and you get the warning light on your dash that your pressure is low. But how far are you away from a gas station with an air fill tank? This alleviates that. Just keep this in your trunk or in storage compartment and fill up when you need it, not later on after you've already worn down the tire a little bit more than you should. Especially in the rain, that's the worst time to have low pressure because you have a higher chance of hydroplaning if you're riding around on low pressure tires. So make sure you grab one of these and then that won't be an issue ever again. Unless you have a nail in your tire, then that's a totally separate thing. If you're going from a hot season going into the cold season and you get those lights because the pressure is low because the temperature is low, this is a quick way without turning on your air compressor, waking up the neighborhood to fill up those tires. Let's unbox it. You got the Achansfam logo right on the front embossed in there. This is a nice carrying case that you can just keep in your car. Make sure it's charged before you put it in there. You have your user manual. And here you have your ball inflator and an extra fuse. You have your 12-volt car adapter, or what we used to call a circuit lighter adapter. USB to USB-A in this nice orange color with a little wire wrap. And you have this nice braided air line. So this is actually a multi-use item for emergency situations. Not only is it a tire inflator, it's a power bank for your phone by plugging into the output right here. It is a flashlight, also a strobing emergency light. And if you forgot to charge this up and it's low on battery, that's when you plug this in. And with the length on here, you actually probably could inflate your front tires with it plugged in. There's enough length right here, depending on where your socket is. So with the tire pressure on, you can see that this is set up for a car. You can then go over to your standard motorcycle, bicycle, sports ball, and then there is your custom setting. So like on the car, it is set for a 36 standard, but my tire pressure in my car is actually 42. So you'd bring it up to the 42. And then what my main use for this will be is my camper, which I will then have to go to custom setting and go to 62 PSI because that is what my trailer tires are for when it's a max load. So it's very easy to get to here.